another package. Of course, you already know what's inside. So, I like my leather garments. So I got several different pairs of pants. I got several jackets. I got 2 jackets that are like motorcycle style in white and black. And then I got a regular like straight hooded leather jackets. And both sets are in black and white. Unfortunately, I cannot find a leather jacket in gray unless it's faux leather or the imitation leather. So my other ones are and everything else other than 1 or 2 pairs of pants that are they're all genuine leather. They're either cow or sheepskin, and my jackets are all sheepskin, but can't find one in gray, and I like the gray. So I found one on the Jungle site, and it's the faux leather. You know, it's the fake leather, but, you know, just going for the look and having a silver one. So that's what this is. And I bought this during the Black Friday special, and this was like 35 bucks on Black Friday day. So just for giggles, I went back to the site on Saturday. It rose up 10 bucks, so it was like 44 bucks. So this is the Woolful, that kind. It's your generic Chinese garment, and you get the little candy pack to feed to your kids. So you give that to them. And I got this extra big, so I can wear this during the wintertime under a bunch of sweatshirts and other garments that are thick and bulky, because my other jackets are they're t-shirt type jackets, so you can only get a t-shirt on under them. So this is your standard silver gray, and it's got a couple of pockets on the front. You get pockets on the upper chest pocket, so you can store your smaller cell phones and stuff like that. You get 2 of them on each side, on the left breast and the right breast. They're lined with polyester lining. Then you get your full-length zipper, and then you get one interior pocket that's deeper than the fronts, and then you get your side pockets that are fairly deep, so you'll be able to stick all your money and cell phone and stuff like that. So nothing more. Then you get the little side zippers and stuff like that. So this is extra large for me. Where if you go by the Amazon chart, if you previously bought stuff, they kind of get to know your size. So usually it's a large and stuff like that. But I wanted it a little bigger so I can have a little room. So when you get all bulked up with stuff and this and that, you can move around. And of course, got plenty of shoulder room, especially underneath the arms, where if you kind of cross your arms and stuff like that. So plenty of room for me, plenty of length. So I'm a happy camper, and it seems like my little clothing hauls, they seem to be a fairly successful video on this wacky channel. So something new. And yeah, so and of course, being that this is imitation leather and it's the actual color is painted on, you don't want to. Eventually, it's going to wear through and stuff like that, because you're not, you're dealing with imitation leather. And even with the leather stuff, if it's a lot of the colors like the reds and the blues and the whites and your greens and stuff like that, It's basically it's painted on. So, you know, you want to be careful when you're cleaning it. You know, you don't want to use harsh chemicals and stuff like that. You can use your automotive like leather cleaner and stuff like that. Then you don't have to worry about washing off the or rubbing off the paint, because I had that mistake. I got a pair of white cow leather, and if you use too harsh of a cleaner, you will rub that paint right off of it. You know, and I started doing that, and I said, well, I got to find something different that's heavy duty but won't take the paint off. So, you know, you get what you pay for, and unfortunately, you know, like I said, I can't find silver gray and real leather, so you go for the next best thing. You get the faux leather, and, you know, from a distance, it looks, you know, like a regular leather jacket, you know, but only you, the user, the bought it, knows that it's, you know, if you care about that, it's imitation leather. But sometimes, you know, I know a lot of people, they've had the, you know, the imitation leather, and the garments lasted a long time, and they're so good that you don't even realize that it's not real leather. I mean, they don't smell like leather, and when you do have a genuine leather garment, it's just like a brand new car, you know, leather car, interior car. So that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.